Math Olympiad question for Grade 2. What comes next in this pattern? Answer B, 14. Ria is taller than Mina. Mina is taller than Tia. Who is the shortest? Answer C, Tia. 82 hundredths, 30 tens, 81s equal to what? Answer B, 8,580. A box has 4 rows of 5 apples each. How many apples are there in total? Answer C, 20. If ball equals 61 and ball plus bat equals 83, then the value of bat is... Answer C, 22. What is the place value of 3 in the number 435? Answer B, 30. You have 100 rupees. You buy a toy for 75 rupees. How much money is left? Answer C, 25 rupees. There are 24 hours in a day. How many hours are there in 2 days? Answer A, 48. A number is doubled and then 6 is added to it. The result is 20. What is the number? Answer B, 7. Which of the following has the least value? Answer B, 1, 10 plus 12 ones equals 22.